Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add and edit club rules of your club on the Clubhouse application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on this last icon down below. Scroll down to the club section and tap on your club. Click on the settings button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on edit club rules, which is the third option. And here you can add rules. So type in the title of the rule, such as rule number 1, and add an explanation. You can add up to 3 rules. So if you are done with them, tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, your rules have been updated and they will be available to all of the members. Feel free to edit them anytime by going back to the same section. So that's how you can edit them. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.